Hello, Heartfelt families. Thank you so much for joining me today. We're going to do a practice together involving, we're going to bring along a buddy for our practice today. So go grab your favorite snuggle buddy or stuffed animal and let's get ready to practice. All right. All right, so now that you have your snuggle buddy with you, we're going to start our practice by laying down on your back on the floor. So do that right now. And we're going to start with the sound of the bell. So when you hear the sound of the bell, you're going to close your eyes for a moment, deep breath in and out. Breathing in and out. All right. So now you're going to take your snuggle buddy and you're going to put them right on your belly. So, whoops, here's mine on my belly, just like that. Make sure he's nice and comfortable and isn't gonna fall off your belly. So now that your snuggle buddy is resting comfortably on your belly, we are going to be using big, deep belly breaths to have our snuggle buddy go up and down. So you're going to take a deep belly breath in and your snuggle buddy should go up like this. And when you breathe out, your snuggle buddy goes down. So let's do that 10 times. I'm going to count in breath as 1, out breath as 2. And we'll breathe in and out with our snuggle buddies 10 times, okay? So you can close your eyes if you want, or you can look right at your snuggle buddy and think about how much you love them. All right, so ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in, 10 out. I hope this practice helped you and your snuggle buddy feel calm and relaxed. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you again soon.